Time, the one resource we all have, the only currency we can never earn back. You can lose money and make it again. You can lose friends and find new ones. You can fail in business and start over. But time, once it's gone forever. The clock ticks forward, not backward, and whether you're rich or poor, young or old, living in a palace or a village, time is the great equalizer. So, let me ask you, how are you spending yours? We live in a world that distracts us. Notifications pop up like fireworks. Social media drags us down endless rabbit holes of comparison and illusion. Hours slip through our fingers as we scroll, swipe, click, and consume. And while we waste seconds, minutes, and hours on things that do nothing for our future, life quietly moves on. The days stack up, the years pass, and suddenly, you're looking back, wondering where it all went. It's so easy to waste time. You wake up and scroll through your phone before even brushing your teeth. You binge watch shows not because they inspire you, but because they help you escape your reality. You procrastinate on dreams, telling yourself you'll do it tomorrow, next week, next year. But tomorrow is never guaranteed, and next year might never come. You don't get a warning when your time is up. You don't get a countdown. You just reach the end, and then it's too late. There's a powerful truth many people ignore until it slaps them in the face. Your life is a collection of moments. Every single second adds up. What you do today builds your tomorrow, and if you waste today, you're wasting the future you're capable of creating. You see, success doesn't come from huge decisions. It comes from the small ones, the choice to wake up early, the choice to study when you'd rather sleep, the choice to say no to distractions and yes to discipline. Those decisions, repeated over time, build empires. They shape character. They turn ordinary people into legends. But you can't do any of that if you're wasting your time. Think about this. Somewhere out there, someone is working harder than you. Someone is using their time better than you. They're grinding, learning, pushing, evolving. While you're complaining about not having enough time, they're making use of every minute. The question is, who do you want to be? Life is not a rehearsal. This is it. This is the only shot you get. You don't get to press rewind. You don't get a do-over. So every hour you spend stuck in fear, drowning in doubt, hiding from challenges, is an hour you'll never get back. Yes, it's okay to rest. It's okay to enjoy life, but don't confuse rest with laziness. Don't confuse self-care with self-sabotage. Don't lie to yourself and say you're waiting for the right time. The right time is now. The right moment is this one. You were not born to scroll through life. You were not made to wake up, go to work, come home, watch TV, sleep, and repeat until you die. You were born to grow, to build, to love, to live with purpose. But purpose doesn't just fall into your lap. You have to chase it, hunt it down. Dig deep and ask yourself, why am I here? And once you find that answer, hold on to it with everything you've got. Time will try to distract you. The world will throw noise in your face every day. People will tell you to slow down, that you're doing too much, but ignore them, because the dream you carry inside you, no one else can see it. No one else understands it like you do. It's yours, and it's your job to protect it, to feed it, to grow it. That means cutting out the things that don't serve you. That means walking away from time wasters, habits, people, and routines that keep you stuck in place. Look, we all make mistakes. We all waste time now and then. What matters is that you wake up and realize it before it's too late. Because there will come a day when you look back and wonder, what if I had started sooner? What if I had taken that risk? What if I had believed in myself a little more? Don't live a life full of regrets. Live a life of action. Wake up every morning and remind yourself, today is another chance to build the future I want. Today is another gift. I won't waste it. Time is silent, but it's always moving. Every second right now is a chance. You could be reading a book that changes your life. You could be learning a skill that opens doors. You could be reaching out to someone who inspires you. You could be taking the first step towards something extraordinary, but instead, many people hesitate. They freeze. They tell themselves, "I'm not ready." Let me tell you something, you'll never feel ready. Readiness is a lie we tell ourselves. To delay action, growth begins the moment you step outside your comfort zone. You don't need to know every step, just the next one. Start there. Take it. Because if you don't, the world will pass you by. Opportunities don't wait. Greatness doesn't wait. Life doesn't wait. So why are you waiting? Your potential is sleeping inside you. Wake it up. Push yourself. Prove to yourself that you are not ordinary. Prove that you're not like everyone else who wastes time and wonders why they never succeed. Be the exception. Be the one who shows the world what happens when someone refuses to waste a single moment. Music builds again strong, inspiring. Do you know why the most successful people are where they are? It's not luck. It's not magic. It's not because they had more time. It's because they respected time. They used it. Every day, they moved one step closer to their goals, even when it was hard, even when no one was watching, even when they felt like giving up. And now, it's your turn. You don't need permission. You don't need approval. You just need to start right now. Make a decision that from this moment on, you will never again waste time on things that don't matter. You will never again let fear stop you. You will never again let doubt steal your dreams. You're better than that. You're stronger than that. Look around. Everything you see, every invention, every success, every breakthrough was made by someone who decided to stop wasting time, someone who got up when they didn't feel like it, someone who studied when everyone else was partying, someone who practiced when others slept. That someone could be you. So take your pain, take your struggle, take your excuses, and burn them. Use that fire to fuel your future. Let it drive you. Let it remind you that wasting time is wasting life, and life is far too precious to be thrown away. There's a clock ticking behind you right now. You can't hear it, but it's there. With every second that passes, you're writing your story. What kind of story do you want it to be? Will you be remembered as someone who made the most of every moment, or someone who wasted their potential? You get to choose. That's the power you have. Don't give it away. Don't waste your time. The sun rises and sets whether you do something or not. Time keeps moving, so move with it. Don't just exist, live. Don't just dream, do. Don't just wish, work. Every second is a seed. What you plant today is what you'll harvest tomorrow. Plant wisely. Time is the soil of your future. Don't waste it. Let's be honest, most people don't change until it's too late. They wait for tragedy, for heartbreak, for a crisis. They wait for the doctor to say, "You have 6 months left." They wait for someone they love to leave. They wait for the pain to become unbearable before they decide to act. Why? Why wait for pain when you could choose purpose? Why wait for loss when you could choose growth? Why do we need to be broken before we begin to build? The truth is we're afraid. Afraid to fail, afraid to be judged, afraid to chase a dream and fall flat on our faces. But here's what no one tells you. The fear of failure is nothing compared to the pain of regret. Regret is heavier. It lasts longer. You can't escape it. It will visit you in the quiet moments when you're lying in bed at night, staring at the ceiling, asking yourself, "Why didn't I try harder? Why didn't I start sooner?" You don't want that kind of silence in your life. You want a life filled with pride, with effort, with resilience. A life that says, "Yes, I struggled, but I showed up every day. I gave it my all." You might not control how much time you get, but you do control what you do with the time you have. If you're 20, Don't wait until you're 40 to take yourself seriously. If you're 40, don't believe it's too late. If you're 70, don't think your best days are behind you. You still have time, but for how long? None of us know. So while you use it, don't waste it on people who don't see your worth. Don't waste it on activities that keep you numb. Don't waste it living someone else's dream. Live your own, because your time is now, not tomorrow. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your life. Live with intention. Live with purpose. And above all, live